Welcome to the daily demonstration of JCT machinery. Today we will be talking about the epoxy resin product line. Firstly, we need to prepare the materials and additives we need. The additive will transport into the tank by the vacuum system, and there's a detector placed inside of the tank connecting to the computer to observe the capacity. The alarm where the components reach out to the maximum or minimum limit. The detector conveys the information to the central computer and plays the signal of the filling up or stop filling. Next, we need to prepare the emulsion. The emulsion is extracted from the track into the empty tank by transporting valve. All the tank is installed with a detector inside to observe the limit of the capacity. All the emulsion has been filled up successfully into the tank. Then we need to prepare the powder. Pour the powder into the conical tank. The powder will be transported automatically into the vessel by increasing the power of the vacuum system. The maximum of the transporting weight is up to 600 to 1000 kg per minute. The central computer will detect the inside of the tank all the time. Next step, we need to prepare the water. The water needs to be purified by the reserve osmosis device in order to achieve the production standard. After we complete both steps, we are starting the process. The water will be weighted in this tank and the computer will automatically calculate the rate of the water in order to getting a proper rate for the production. Then the water will be extracted from the tank through the discharging valve into the dispersion machine by the vacuum, and the speed and the time can be set up by the computer. The maximum rotating speed is 1000 rpm per minute. Now we are showing is the process of adding the cellulose. It is the same operation just like the water we have been done previously. Pour the cellulose into the tank to weigh the kilogram from the screw mixer and pipe the cellulose into the dispersion machine to disperse and mix with the water speedily. Now we are watching is the process of adding additive into the vessel by the vacuum. The central computer takes control of the proper rate of the additive and convey it into the dispersion machine to mix with the water and the cellulose. The computer will also detect the remaining of the additive and convey it to the dispersion machine by spraying the water. The compound inside of the vessel quickly becoming a transparent creamy liquid. Next step, we are going to add the powder into the conical mix out of the tank. We are adding the two different kind of the materials from the two different tank. Then we pipe the powder into the dispersion machine by the vacuum system. The computer will automatically set up the time up to 15 minutes to disperse the compound at rotating speed like 1400 rpm per minute. The emulsion is transporting into the vessel to weigh the proper kilogram while the dispersion machine is working. Then the emulsion will be conveyed into the screw mixer by the vacuum system. The remaining of the emulsion will be piped once more into the mixer by the spraying the water. Now we're back to the dispersion machine. It has become a slurry after 15 minutes dispersion. Use the vacuum pipe to extract the slurry out of the dispersion machine and convey it into the screw mixer to mix with the emulsion. Now we are almost approaching the final step. The mixer does slowly speed up rotating to get a viscosity we need by adding the emulsion constantly. After the mixer has done the work, the epoxy resin paint will be transported into the building to prevent the particles coming through the pipes. finally, we get into the final step. We also prepare the packing machine to distribute the paint into the bucket. That will be all the demonstration for today, and if you have any question about this video, please visit our website and contact us. I'll see you in the next video.